Welcome to the exciting world of adjectives and adverbs, grade school students. Get ready for an engaging quiz that will test your knowledge of these important parts of speech. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which word describes a noun? The correct answer is letter A. Adjectives are special words that describe or modify nouns. They add more details and characteristics to the nouns they accompany. Number 2. Which word describes a verb? The correct answer is letter B. Adverbs are cool words that describe or modify verbs. They provide more information about the action that the verb conveys. Number 3. Which word describes how something is done? The answer is letter A. Great job! Adverbs are the words that describe how an action takes place. They give us more information about the verb, helping us understand the nature of the action. Moving on to number 4. Which word is an adjective in the sentence? The big elephant walked slowly. The correct answer is letter A. Big. In the sentence, the word big describes the noun elephant, making it an adjective. Number 5. Which word is an adverb in the sentence? He spoke softly during the play. The correct answer is letter C. Softly. In the sentence, the word softly describes how he spoke, making it an adverb. Number 6. Which word is an adjective in the sentence? The cute puppy barked loudly. The correct answer is letter A. Cute. In the sentence, the word cute describes the noun puppy, making it an adjective. Question number 7. Which word is an adverb in the sentence? She danced gracefully on the stage. The correct answer is letter C, gracefully. In the sentence, the word gracefully describes how she danced, making it an adverb. Number 8. Which word is an adjective in the sentence? The tall tree swayed in the wind. The correct answer is letter A, tall. In the sentence, the word tall describes the noun tree, making it an adjective. Moving on to number 9. Which word is an adjective in the sentence? The fast car zoomed past. The correct answer is letter A, fast. In the sentence, the word fast describes the noun car, making it an adjective. Lastly, which word is an adverb in the sentence? They played happily at the park. And the correct answer is letter C, happily. In the sentence, the word happily describes how they played, making it an adverb. That concludes our adjectives and adverbs quiz. We hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge. Great work, grade school students! Keep up the good work in your language studies.